Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make the plane called the Ring Wraith. So first you get the egg and fold it about up to here. So it's almost halfway. Then you unfold that, get the other side and fold it to the line. Then you do it again. Then you do that. Flip the page over. Then there's a bit of a hard bit right here. So fold it to the end of the hard bit. Then you fold it backwards. In the top. So you need to make it curled really well. So if you want to make it curled really well, I think you can just do this. Curl it like that. Then you'll need some sticky tape. So now you just gotta you see this part, these. You gotta get those parts and then bring it over like that. Next, you need to get the sticky tape, just a bit of sticky tape, and then over here, see what I did before. Over here, So, you see this line here? Get the sticky tape, put it on the line. Put it on the line like this. And then, there's it made. Let's test it.